Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone T3. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. 20:9 aspect ratio, 91.9% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 1800 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 OIS wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera, and with flicker sensor. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A715, plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A510, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, paired with Mali G610MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB of microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.2 by 75.8 by 7.8 mm or 8 mm, and it weighs around 185.5 grams, or 188 grams, and the color options crystal flake, cosmic blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 44-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with stereo dual speakers, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo T3 has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees, and around $240 and 66,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 21,999 Indian rupees, and around $264 and 73,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo T3 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.